Hey guys, so here we are, day 8. Got the letter H. Back to normality, what I'm used to. This looks like an H. So yeah, let's get to it. I hope when I get to freehand, this curve here is as symmetrically lovely as it is when I'm doing the tracing. It's a pretty letter, isn't it? Very pretty. It's definitely another day where I need a bit of stress relief. The anxiety and stress has been at all-time high. Just, you know, the daily ups and downs of life, but I've definitely found my therapy. I've definitely found a way to sort of navigate it with writing. So I'm going to continue doing that because it's made me feel so much better. So much better. Unbelievably better. Honestly, I don't even understand how writing has become this lost art now. It's so, I mean, it's fun. For me anyways. I enjoy it so much. And I enjoy the artistic element of it as well. It's not just writing for the sake of writing. It's what you can create when you write. The words you formulate, and then the people it touches with the words that you formulate. It's pretty awesome, I think. and it just looks pretty. It's such a personal thing as well. You know, when somebody actually uses their hands to write something for you, it shows thought. And I love to show thought where I can. I think I'm doing pretty well with these H's. It's not, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's not too bad. Could be going a little bit higher with the exit stroke, I think I would call it an exit stroke. I feel like I have a tendency to just cut short instead of like stretching it out. Kind of reminds me of I cannot dance. Let me just add that as a caveat before I say what I'm saying, but when you watch dancing shows, they're always on about making sure you end the stroke or the line. I feel like that kind of applies in writing as well. You want to make sure that you don't just leave it off and rush it like that. You want to exit it nicely. I don't know if that makes sense. It made sense in my head. I just have this habit of trying to be a bit Speedy Gonzales with this. It's just a habit. We'll try to slow down a little bit. Although I feel like where it's not required, let the speed reign. Okay, we have adjusted the view slightly. I really need to up my self-care routine. Would definitely love to invest in some candles, some room scents, just some lovely aesthetics for my work area. Soon come. End the stroke, girl, end the stroke. No rushing. Okay, definitely lifting up my pencil for this stroke. Although maybe I don't need to. Actually, I don't think I need to. Go up. Yeah, I can do this all in one stroke. I would actually love for some people to join me on this journey. I mean, I've linked or I've put the link in the description for this workbook. It's available on Amazon. Definitely Amazon UK. I don't know about everywhere else, but it'd be fun to do this as a group exercise and to see how everybody else is getting on, getting their mojo back when it comes to handwriting. Oh, I don't like that. Oops. Not bad. Getting a bit too wide with it, aren't I? It's a bit better with the gap in. I think this is probably the easiest time I've had with both a lowercase and an uppercase letter. I've enjoyed this one. Still getting a bit wide on the H, I think. Need to work on my gap in there. Oh my gosh, I'm gripping this pencil so hard. Okay, I've loosened my grip a lot. Can still achieve what I want to achieve without gripping it so hard. Last line. The grip is getting heavy again. Light grip on the last few. There we go. Day 8 done and dusted. Relatively easy letter. Right, see you tomorrow.